Encanto if you're in the right place. We are in Barichara, Colombia. This is where some of Encanto movies started. The producer came here and wanted to tour it to get some construction ideas. See this door behind me? This is the door that inspired the door in the Casa Madrigal.
Sí, esta es la familia Madrigal. Hogar de mi gente Madrigal. Vamos.
When the Disney people came here, they needed a tour guide. Their tour guide looked really much like Mirabelle. She owns this bookstore that is right on the corner right here. She wasn't working when we went to the bookstore though. There's also a place called Casa Inspiración. It has created a few rooms for the Madrigal house. We saw Bruno's hideout, the kitchen, and Isabella's room.
¿Acaso alguien dijo flores?
It was just okay, but we learned a lot about the traditions from the region. Did you know people eat giant flying ants here? They're collected and slow roasted. I didn't try an ant. No way! But supposedly they taste like roasted peanut. Would you try ants? There is more to the intriguing town of Barichara. It's also known for its many art workshops. I learned how to do traditional weaving techniques with strips of recycled plastic bags. I learned how paper can be made from all sorts of different plant fibers. I created a painting using different dirts from around the region. There are so many different colors. Even though Encanto isn't real, there's still a lot of magic in Barichara. Check out these exploding seeds. Just pour water on them and they pop like fireworks. Isn't that crazy? I was there for New Year's Eve, so I heard a lot of real fireworks. 2023 really went out with a bang. 2024 is going to be even better.